Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This weekend it's Greek Orthodox Easter weekend. Today it's Good Friday, the start of the season. It's lovely and sunny, and I'm here in Protaras. I'm going to visit the traditional Cypriot coffee shop. There it is, might have a coffee. And as I say, it's Easter weekend and they're hosting a children's Easter egg decorating event. So that's going on inside. I'm going to show you around and then we'll have a look what the children have made. So there we are. This is the traditional Cypriot coffee shop here in Protaras. There's Happy Days next door, and next door to that is the all American barbecue. So let's go inside, see what they've got to offer. Have a look at the ice cream, all triple delish. Have a look at the lovely traditional Cypriot cakes, and then we'll have a look at what the children have produced. We just met a friend here who does fiberglassing. He might do my little dinghy for me. And you're having a coffee, aren't you?
Having a coffee, amazing coffee, and the fantastic orange pie.
Oh, you're having the orange pie, are you? Oh, that looks delish. What's your name?
My name is Kyriakos.
Kyriakos, is it triple delish?
It's amazing.
Amazingly
Amazing.
delish. Oh yeah, yes please. And there's the coffee man. And you're having a cappuccino. There we are. So guys, before we go back into the coffee shop next door, I'm here at Happy Days, the restaurant, and this is the owner. There is, and he is making flowners, aren't you?
Yeah.
And you don't get flowners anywhere in the world except Cyprus, guys.
That's right.
That's correct, isn't it?
Yeah, that's correct.
And it's a traditional Cypriot Easter. Would you say cake or pie?
It's
Pastry.
A kind of pastry,
right, yeah.
The ingredients they had at that time, you know, which at that time of the day, in those times it was resins, cheese from the goats and sheep, and
right. Okay,
and eggs.
So we're still sticking to the ancient recipe.
Yes, we are.
Excellent. We're not putting anything new in.
No.
It's all.
Actually, funny thing, we only do it for Easter.
That's right.
Nothing.
Okay, you do not get flowners any other time of the year, guys. Just Easter, and it looks like you're making an awful lot of flowners.
Yes, it's a tradition. I like to follow it for myself, and then we give a couple to each of the staff.
Good idea. We treat the staff. We treat a few family members.
You shall get a couple as well if you wait long enough.
I think I'm going to take one home. Now, my favourite one is anari, which is the byproduct of halloumi.
Yes.
Now, would you say the anari one was sweet?
No, you add sugar onto it and resins, and that's how you make it sweet.
Oh, I see. That's what happens. Okay, so that's
sugar.
why.
We forgot about the ingredients. We add sugar as well.
Right, so let's go on to the ingredients and let's see you make it. Now, we have got, what we got here? What are these?
It's a sesame, which you call the pastry.
Right, okay, so we've got the pastry, and we've got the sesame seeds.
Yeah, and the filling, which is an original.
Oh, wow.
It's got French mint, resins, sugar, and yeast, and eggs.
And eggs?
Yeah.
Right, okay, and this particular one's anari.
Yeah, that's it.
Right,
which is ways to be done, is cheese.
Right, okay, so we can have
Halloumi.
anari or cheese.
Yeah, that's
okay.
it.
Is the cheese halloumi cheese?
Yes, halloumi without salt.
Right, you got that, guys? Are we taking notes? So we've got a pastry here.
Yes.
We've got the sesame seed. And then if you fancy halloumi without salt, by the way, you can have halloumi or the cheese, or you can have it with anari. And you don't have to have raisins, do you?
No, it's optional. Some people don't put raisins.
Okay, so if you don't want it sweet, guys, don't put the raisins
Or
in.
the sugar.
Or the sugar, indeed. So we're up to the anari section. Could you just tell us again what's inside the cheese?
This anari cheese.
Okay, and what's
That
inside?
is fresh mint,
Yeah.
raisins,
Fresh
baking-
mint, resins,
baking powder,
baking powder, sugar,
and we put a bit of aromatics. In this case is mastica or mekleti.
mastica, and eggs.
Mekleti. And eggs.
And eggs. Oh, don't
Eggs,
forget the
eggs.
fresh eggs from our farm. There we are, all farm eggs. Right, okay. So we're going to finish a whole tray full, aren't we? There we are.
Yeah, we put the
Yeah.
tray.
Now, can you show us how you're going to wrap these? Right, we've got the cheese. 1, 2, 3. You got that, guys?
You can make it any way you like, you know, as long as it's...
As long as it's nice. But
Yeah.
this is a traditional way, though, isn't it?
That's my way. Some make it, people like different, but...
There we are. 1, 2, and the 3.
It's easier for me.
Straight on there. Now, can we come back in about 10 or 15 minutes and see one come out the oven? Right, so let's go and have a look at one in the oven. There we are. Where are
Okay.
they? Whoa, look at those guys. They're enormous, and they look like they smell
They are
delicious.
slightly bigger, you know, than this one.
Yeah, so this one is anari.
Yeah, that's it.
There it is, guys.
And it's not
Show
cooked
the
yet because underneath, you know, it's not, it should be more brown.
Right, we need it brown underneath. Well, we're going to come back in about 10 or 15 minutes and see what they're like. And in fact, we're going to have a taste. Oh, we're going to have a taste, delish. Right, let's go next door, guys. Right, guys, so it's all going on in here in this lovely coffee shop. Let me show you the ice cream. There we are, we've got beautiful ice cream here, guys. It's all going on behind me at the moment. Okay, here we are. These are the traditional Cypriot cakes. Let's start from this one here.
This is the tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
This is portokarbovita, which is traditional.
Yeah, and it's orange pie. Very, very traditional in
Very
Cyprus, isn't it?
traditional. This is a vegan apple pie, nistissimi milovita.
Okay, so and that's good for while you're fasting.
While you're fasting.
Okay, and then we've
And
got...
then we've got galado bureko,
Which is?
again traditional. You've got a cream made out of milk, the base is milk, and you've got the pastry there as well, and lots of syrup.
And it's like a custard tart, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a Cypriot custard tart. And what's this one here?
This is milfei,
Ooh.
which again has a custard cream inside and homemade pastry.
Oh, it looks delish, doesn't it? Absolutely amazingly delish. And let's go over to the ice creams, because we've got mastico somewhere, haven't we?
Here it is.
Here it is.
Mastica. This is a herb that comes from a traditional tree.
In Cyprus. That's right. And really, you can only get this in Cyprus.
Yeah.
Yeah, mastico. It comes off the tree. It's like a sap, isn't it?
It is.
And it tastes triple delish.
It's a unique taste, so you have to try it and see if you like it.
Definitely have to try this, guys. That's why you have to come into this traditional Cypriot coffee shop. So we've got the professional coffee machine here, and you can choose any coffees you like, guys. We have got hundreds of them. And that's the grinder.
Yeah.
It goes in the grinder,
So
it
it's
comes out
freshly
here.
grind before we make the coffee.
Right, everything's freshly ground, then goes into this machine here, and everything's done like that. And what are these over there? Over
These
here.
are for the lukumades, again a traditional Cypriot dessert. If you want to have that, they're like a donut, but if you want to have them stuffed inside, then you can choose different fillings and we stuff them with the filling that you choose. It could be chocolate, white
Oh,
chocolate.
it sounds delicious. So basically we've got the traditional lucamadas,
Yeah.
and a little twist, you can have fillings,
Yeah.
and you push it in there and fill it up
And
with
fill it
chocolate
up.
or anything you like.
Anything you like.
Sounds delish. So today we've had a kids workshop, haven't we?
Yeah, for Easter, and the kids had to create their own Easter bunny and decorate their own Easter egg.
And that looks marvellous, and it looks delish. Love it. So last year we did feature a Mother's Day gift here in the traditional Cypriot coffee shop, and they will be doing that again this year. So guys, Kyriakos has been to the kitchen. Well done, Kyriakos, you picked up some flouners. Delish. Which ones you got, Kyriakos? What you
This
got?
one is flaunes with anari,
Oh, my favourite.
traditional
Flouners.
original recipe.
Yep.
Let's all enjoy it.
Let's enjoy it, guys, because you can't get these pies anywhere else. Only Cyprus and only at Easter time. Is that right, Bunny?
Yeah.
That's right. This is our local bunny that's turned up. So let's try the flouners here in Happy Days. What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazingly delish. Wow, fantastic. Well, I'm going to try one in a minute. I'm going to try one right now. Look at that. Fresh out the oven, guys. Flouners here at Happy Days. Let's try it. Oh, wow. That is amazingly delish. So fresh. This one was anari, which you can get all year round.
All year around. It's
But
a soft cheese.
It's a soft cheese, but he's making a different one, a halloumi one.
It's a sort of halloumi in between a cheese, which is unsalted halloumi, and so it's not so cooked. So it gives a flavor between cheese and halloumi. It's not
Right,
a cheese that
okay.
melts.
Right, so it's not halloumi that you'll get in the supermarket.
No, you can't find it's all. You can find only homemade that cheese for the flaunes, the
Right.
traditional cheese.
Okay, and so they will only make that cheese at Easter time.
Only in Easter time. Only.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's triple delicious halloumi.
Is it triple delish halloumi? So
Triple
it's
delish.
between halloumi and cheese.
Cheese, yeah.
And it's not got any salt.
No, it's not getting salty. It's not a cheese that is melt. It's
Right.
melting. So
Yeah,
that's
so-
why we say it's more to halloumi.
Right, I see, because we normally get halloumi and we put it under the grill and we melt it and it tastes triple delish, doesn't
Exactly.
it? Yeah, but this is a little bit different.
Different.
Fantastic. Well, I love these. They are superb.
Enjoy.
Right, okay, so this is the traditional Cypriot coffee shop. And you do realise it's Cypriot Easter this weekend. Yeah, it's Good Friday today. And they're making the traditional flouners. Now, you're going in Happy Days, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's your name?
Louise.
Louise,
Jack.
Jack,
Harry.
and... Okay, so have you been in Happy Days or are you going in? You've been. Was it?
It's triple delish.
Is it triple delish?
triple
What did you
delish.
have? Breakfast?
No, we had dinner and I got a chicken with lamb. It's really nice.
Did you? Oh, sounds amazingly delish. Fantastic. Well, don't forget it's Easter weekend, so you might get another Easter egg. Did you get one last week?
I think we did.
Yeah.
Happy Days, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this week you can get another Easter egg. Oh, what a great holiday. Well, enjoy your holiday, guys. Well, there we are, guys. A two-in-one video. We've got the traditional Cypriot coffee shop and we've got Happy Days and the flouners in Happy Days. Triple delish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.